Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an Hermes haul to share with you. I picked up 3 items from the boutique today. None of them are bags, so if you were hoping to see a bag, sorry, full disclosure, I did not get a bag today. But as you can see, they all came in this big shopping bag, and these are the 3 items. So I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to get right into the unboxing. This is a true unboxing. I just picked these up today from the boutique and they still have the ribbon on them, as you can see. So I'm going to start with this one. And does it say what it is on the side? Yes. Okay, so I'll show you the information on the side of the box once I show you what it is. So as you can see, 2 dust bags. So it's a pair of shoes. And here they are. They're a really pretty color. So this is the sort of rubbery type sandal that is this year's version. I think they come out with a new one every year. And here's the information. That's the name of the style, and then this is the color. And I got them in my true size. All of my Hermes shoes are 38 and these fit perfectly. I also got them in black from the website, and yeah, they seem like they'll be really comfortable. I obviously haven't had a chance to wear them yet because it is still winter here, but definitely looking forward to wearing these. And yeah, I think some people find them running small, but I have a narrow foot, so I got my true size and they fit well. So that is these ones. So I'll just show you the other one. And like I said, I did pick them up in black from the website as well. I don't think I've shown that on my channel, but anyway, this color is really, really pretty. It'll be really pretty for summer. So that is the first item. And those were, I believe, $3.75 Canadian. I have my receipt in here. Let me double check that. Yeah, those were $3.75 Canadian. Okay, next one. I'll do this one next. So this is another pair that I have in other colors. I tend to buy multiples when I really like a pair of shoes. So here we go, another pair of shoes, and this is the same color, although it shows up differently in different materials. The color isn't really showing up true to color on camera for some reason. This is making it look more blue, but there's definitely more green in it. It is more of a like turquoisey greenish blue. And these are the Paris loafers. I also have these in white and in like in white with rose gold hardware, and then in like a brown color with permabrass hardware. And I love them, both of them. So when I saw these, and of course I love turquoise, so I couldn't resist them in this color. It's got the tonal hardware and a little pop of purple on the inside, which I thought was really pretty. It's my favorite color is turquoise, and then my daughter's favorite color is purple, so I thought that was cute. And again, size 38. To me, they fit true to size. I think these will be really, really pretty for spring. So here's the other one, and they are suede, so I will have to be very careful with those, but I'll show you the information. Okay, so they're the Paris loafers, and again, that same green color as my sandals. So those are the second pair. And the last is, again, another pair of shoes. Went on a bit of a shoe kick today. So these ones I've been wanting for a while, and they never seemed to have my size on the website. What is this? Oh, okay, I'll show that after. So here they are. These are, oh, what's this? Oh, I think this is just to show what size it is. That comes off, so that shouldn't actually be there. But these are sneakers with like a little bit of a platform. The sole has a bit of a platform, and the thing I love about these is they're going to be really warm because they're lined in this, I think it's like a shearling material, like a wool. I'm not sure exactly. I'll have to look and see what the actual material is, but it's all lined in that, so it's great for the weather here, although today is warm, but really good for fall and winter. And I like how it has that little bit of platform. I will show you the other one quickly, and this extra bag is just a spare set of laces. Okay, so here's the other one, and this, the H here is like textured, which is nice, kind of like to go with the woolly lining. Yeah, they're really cute. I like them a lot. They say Hermes here and here, and that's the sole. Okay, let me show you the information for these ones. So, oh right, they're the Dare sneaker. And yeah, that's the information in case you're interested. And the price for these was 1,400 Canadian, and the Paris loafers were 1,300 Canadian. So that is my little Hermes shoe haul for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.